Lesson 6: Plant Growth and Distribution. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe some of the factors that affect plant growth and distribution, and interpret data on these factors. All plants need certain conditions to grow. These include light, water, nutrients, temperature, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. But these conditions can vary from place to place. This affects the distribution of plants. Mineral salts in the soil are taken up in small amounts by plant roots to provide nutrients. If soil does not contain enough nutrients, then some plants will grow poorly or not at all. Sandy soils are often low in nutrients. Plants that live in these soils are adapted to surviving on fewer nutrients. Gorse, heather, pine and birch are plants which grow well in sandy soils. Plants also need light for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the chemical process used to make glucose. This is converted into all the other chemicals a plant needs for growth. Water plus carbon dioxide, along with sunlight energy and chlorophyll, will produce glucose and oxygen. Some plants need lots of light to grow. Others are adapted to low levels of light and like lots of shade. This can be clearly seen in the different layers of a rainforest. Photosynthesis is also affected by temperature. As temperature increases, photosynthesis gets faster. This is one reason why plants that live in cold climates, like conifers, grow more slowly. Photosynthesis will stop and the plant will die if the temperatures are too high or too low. Plant cells can be damaged if the water in them freezes. Conifers produce oils which act like antifreeze. They are adapted to cold climates and high altitudes, such as in the mountainous areas. But even conifers cannot survive extremely low temperatures. The edge of the area where trees can grow in cold locations is called the tree line. Most plants need air in the soil around their roots. If soil gets too wet, it becomes waterlogged. Plant roots cannot get the oxygen they need, so the plant will die. Some plants are adapted to waterlogged soils. Mangrove trees have root-like structures that stick up out of the waterlogged soils so that the plants can take in oxygen.